Now listen, the topic is online semester challenges and opportunities. Everybody is going to speak now. You will also get 2 minutes to speak. In the meantime, you just think what you have to speak. Okay, we start from Vikas Acharya.
Hello everyone, my name is Vikas Acharya, and I'm glad that I have an opportunity to introduce the topic today. So today's topic is online semester challenges and opportunity. So I think it is quite interesting topic. So in my perspective, there are both challenges and opportunities here. So if we'll focus on the challenges, I think the major problem is the problem of invigilation, because a single person cannot because a single person cannot actually watch over a lot of students. And there is also problem for uh, uh, long answer questions, because during that time a person would not be able to write a long answer and upload the answer, and also there may be some scope for cheating. But if you look into the opportunity side, there are also certain opportunities. That is the major one is during this pandemic, where the where the children do not need to go for a large gathering. So with this, I would like to open the floor for everyone else to join in the discussion.
Okay, Siddharth.
Thank you.
Siddharth. Siddharth, please unmute yourself and go ahead.
Good evening, friends. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Good evening, friends. My name is Siddharth Sankarrath, and I take the opportunity to begin the group discussion on the topic given to us, that is online semester. Is it a boon or a bane? I think the topic is quite interesting topic, and there are a lot of should be and should not be points on the given topic. If I talk about the should be points or the advantages of this online semester, conduct of online semester, then I feel is that it is a quite it creates a quite friendly environment for all of us, and the student can give their exam from the home itself, and there is a lot of time saving, and the student is not required to go to the exam hall, and the panic also decreases as we give exam in our home. And if I talk about the disadvantages of this online semesters that are being conducted as of now, I think the major disadvantages are the connectivity problem, and moreover, if we say that in India we are not so much developed that currently we could have we could afford, or we could get very good internet connection without any interruption. And moreover, the proper conducting and the invigilation of the exam is also posing some challenges on all of us. So I welcome all of you to this group discussion, and let's see how this group discussion goes on.
Okay, so now I want Abhinav to proceed.
Thank you, sir, for such an opportunity. Good evening, friend. My name is Abhinav, and the given topic for today for GD is online semester challenges and opportunity.
Abhinav, your voice is cutting.
Yes, sir. The today given topic for us for discussing is online semester challenges and opportunity. In my opinion, the given topic is quite interesting, and I think that there is a new era of education which is shifting toward the online. It also has some advantage and some of the disadvantage. Some of the advantage of online semester are that the student need not to go their school physically, as we know that most of the universities are very far located from our place. So there is so most of the student will live nearby there, and there is huge expenses, and also there is travel expenses, and also there is the chances of accident in between when they are going to the school. That is the reduce, and at the same time there is more easier to for a teacher to explain the student in view of their PPT and some slide, so that he can make a good explanation to the student. And I think that the online medium is very fast for assessment and for the faster result. It means in a quite in a 3 hour time we can assess whole of the answer sheet of each student, which would not be possible through offline medium. Although there is some disadvantage, like that India is not so developed nation, so there is always internet connectivity issues are there. Also, as per the health ministry and health ministry also said that there is a certain health issues. No longer videos can be shown. There is a problem to the eyes and other things. And also there is a need for training for teacher and also as well as the student for this initiative, because as long as when we are grow up, we have not taken this online education in our system. So when this system is comes suddenly, then we have to prepare mentally and we have to develop our skill. So that we need our teachers and student also need some kind of training, so that there could be a better interaction between teacher and student. And I think that the in that opinion, that is my point, and I request all of you to put some point on this issue, so that we can make a fruitful result on this discussion. Thank you, sir.
Okay, now I ask Praveen to proceed ahead.
Yeah, hello sir. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity for introducing the topic online semester challenges and opportunities. This is quite a thoughtful topic according to me in these tough times. And though I like to say that we have come a long way from sitting on the floors in a classroom to the online education in our homes. And every coin has its own two sides. So like this topic has also its own pros and cons. So what I believe is that there are the pros, like it is promoting basically the digital education, and it is also helping in making the Atmanirbhar Bharat. And though I would like to highlight only some of the pros here, and some of the cons are like that it is making students more vulnerable to the screens, which are very harmful for our eyes. So many parents are also complaining that students are facing issues not only in their mental health, but also sitting for long hours in front of the PC. So but I would like to say that since we are having no option in these times, so we should make it a habit of how to manage these things. And of course, colleges and universities will come with new guidelines and proper guidelines, and should also introduce some courses to students that how to manage the mental stress. So that's all. Now we can discuss more on this topic in the forward discussion. Thank you.
Okay, Shubhi.
Hello, myself Shubhikar, and thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to discuss upon the topic on online semesters, challenges and opportunities. Now, first, I like to talk about the opportunities. This time, we are dealing with this online semesters all over India. In the case of primary schools as well as in case of colleges, secondary schools also. So firstly, opportunities we are facing is like we can learn anywhere from sitting from anywhere in the India. So this is the opportunity. Many students don't get this opportunity before. So this is the major opportunity we can look into. And teachers are also providing online recorded lectures. So it is also provides feasibility of the time to the students along as they want, according to their time schedule. They can watch the lectures and go through their studies. And if we talk about the challenges, then there are not less challenges we are facing. Major challenge issue is the internet connectivity. Most of the students are facing, like we are like every student is now watching online lectures and all these things. So internet connectivity has been slowed down. The speed has been slowed down, so there's a heavy load on the optical fiber cables. And also our education system has not been infrastructured previously on this basis, that we would be digitalized so much that online education would be done so digitally. So many schools are not even have created infrastructure till now. So many of the students are now free, and they're not doing anything right now. And also the one of the challenge one of the challenge come into mind is like teachers cannot see every student, is he actually studying or busy into the social media, because we are
Shubhi, you have to cut
doing
it
the
short
classes
down.
on.
Shubhi, you have to cut it short. It is only 2 minutes introduction. Now, what I do is, now this is the second part of this GD second session. In this, I open the house for the discussion. You can participate among you, discuss among yourself. But consider one thing, that you are not to parallelly create a mess or chaos. You have to put your words and listen to others also, and maintain the decorum of the house. So I open the house for discussion further now.
I want to say that now the education became easier and more economically, and it would be very friendful to the student, so that there is no chances to any break the classes. And also there is a very
But my
huge
friend,
expenses,
the thing is
very
about
huge
the online
expenses
classes.
which
Examination,
are
not actually the
expended
classes.
Not about online
as
classes. We are
their
talking about
living
the
and
online
costing, all these
semesters.
all are reduced.
Yes,
So
I don't agree. I
yeah,
don't agree,
Abhinav, you
I
are
don't
actually
agree. I don't
diverting
agree.
from the topic.
Because the thing is that we are
yes,
talking
I am
about the
I am
online
just
semesters.
talking about what are the
About the
advantage.
online
But
semesters,
apart to that, I want to say that
we must talk
yes,
about
Siddharth,
the
yes, Siddharth,
disadvantages and
first listen to me. I want
But
to
the thing is that
tell that there should be
while designing the website for a semester in the current days,
yes, I agreed with you. I
it is
agreed
so
with
much
you. I want to
difficult to
just
handle
add on
a
your
lot of
point that
students
there
giving
should be
exam at
a
this point of
proper
time.
training program for student as well as teacher, so that there will be a basic training program, so that they can
I
understand
think you are
what
diverting
to.
a little bit from the topic. I think we are diverting a little bit from the topic. The main disadvantage of this online semester, that I feel the website design has been so much poor in recent days, and the students are currently facing a lot of problem in giving exam, because they're logging in and
I would
writing
also
so
like
much
to
long
add
answers as mentioned
Siddharth,
my
Siddharth,
friend,
students
because
lack
that has been a
students actually lack various
very much
kind
terrible in
of
these days.
infrastructure.
yes.
That is many of the students don't have mobile phones and laptops with them, so they can't actually go for online examination with ease.
Exactly.
Yes, I agree.
And moreover, there is
Major
also the
problem is
point
the
that
examination.
major
People
online
are
examination. Yes.
attending classes. People are attending classes, but the problem is here only that examination, they conduct examination. There's no infrastructure right now. Till now, no university, no college, and even a single school has defined over this how will we conduct the examinations. So we all are moving in a uncertain way.
Actually,
You are completely
I would
I
like
am
to
partly
highlight,
agreed with you, madam. I am partly
Hello.
agreed with you. In the in this internet medium, there is a huge scope of examination and huge scope of result, because
Then why colleges are not coming
simultaneously
with that scope?
we can make very easy
Abhinav, you are
easy
correct
result.
that the results will be faster, but don't you
Yes,
think that
I want to say that
but don't you think that
the exam
only
is
if the
also
questions are
easier, because
MCQ type, only then the results can be faster? For example,
I would like to
for
say
example,
that
if
I
the
think
exam
we
is
should
speak
speak
one
by
is
one.
about long questions, then teacher need to check
Actually,
them.
all are
So the result
speaking
will
in
be delayed.
between, so we are not able to hear each
Exactly.
other's
Only
point.
quiz.
I think we
Only
should.
quiz.
I think we should speak one by one so that we can hear each other points properly and then comment on that.
friend. Yes,
Yeah,
friend. I
sure.
want
Okay.
to say that. I want to say that we have to change our education system as well
The
as.
advantages, yes, the advantages.
I want
The advantages
to
of this
say
online
that I
semester
have
is
to
that
change. I have
we
to
can
change our
pursue our
education system.
exams from the home itself.
I don't have so
This is
much
not
But
the
moreover,
time.
We
as
are
my
not actually
friend
talking about
said
We
about
have to
education system.
prepare.
We
We
are
have
but
talking
as
to.
my
about the
friend
We
said
have to
about
examination.
keep.
the proper conducting and the
Siddharth,
the
can you listen
laptop
to me?
and the
Siddharth, can you
mobile phone
listen to
that we
me?
are having, the gadgets,
Yes, Siddharth.
we
Yes,
must
Siddharth.
yes
Yes,
we
Siddharth,
must
I agree with you.
we
I
must
said
arrange
that
the gadgets and
there
we must
will be a training required
And
because
also,
the
how will you
and we must
we
how will you
we must
provide the
ensure
internet
that
in
connectivity?
yes,
one
we are
page,
having
we can
gadgets
sort it
and all the
out to
students are
a
having
objective
gadgets, and
type
we
question
must
so that
arrange the
there
gadgets
would
so
be
that all the
same
students can give
information.
the exam smoothly. Yes.
Siddharth, I want to say that there will be
Siddharth,
a
I think
training
Abhinav, you
required.
are
the lack of
diverting from the topic.
infrastructure is one of the
Actually,
major
Abhinav, I
problem why
think you are
this can't
diverting
be
from
done.
the topic.
Yes,
Here we are
No, friend,
my
going
friend
to
I am
discuss
telling you what
the
are the
online
challenges. I am
discussion, online semester
not deviating. I
challenges
said
and the
that there
opportunities.
would be a training.
Basically,
There would
what
be
is
training
the
that the student what we have written in the whole of the paper. We can
We
make
don't have that
objective
much
type
time
of
for
these are
the
questions,
the
training of
and
these
teachers
we
are the
and
can
very
produce
students.
the result
unprecedented
faster.
times.
yes, I
Abhinav,
agree.
These
So
are
See,
the
Abhinav,
the
very
thing you were telling about
unprecedented
training
times.
of
So
teachers, actually
anybody,
yes,
any
actually the
school or
website
any
will be
I
designed
want
by
to
university
some of the
telling that
did
companies.
not
there
go
will
through
be
time.
Teachers
a
only need to give the
fundamental
questions.
training of the teachers and as well as students so
Abhinav, we
that
don't
we
have
can.
I don't think you are
Abhinav, we
correct,
don't
Abhinav,
have that
because
much time so
training
that we can
Yeah.
train the teachers and students. And this is
Actually,
now
Ma'am,
these are
I
the
uncertain
want to
the
say
teachers,
that
situation.
these are
training
the
the
this
teachers is
training
not
is
unprecedented
actually a
not
times.
point
so much
because
No
difficult,
one
the
so
has
we have to
examination will be
imagined
put
that
conducted by
somewhere
some
in
third
6 months.
party,
We
this
have
much
to
of
Friend.
train
time.
them
necessarily
in
the
If
five,
it
teachers
would not
themselves.
be,
5 to 6 days.
if it would not be
Because
so
Training and
difficult,
website design
because in the
is utmost important
please
for
listen to
conducting
me. Please
online
listen.
semester exams.
Siddharth, I want to say that in this era we have youth generation. Every youth have use of the mobile gadgets. Why not we have to provide some training to them
But
How
no,
can we
don't you
maybe
most of
think?
the
ensure
children
that
in
all
Don't
our
you
the
country
think?
have
output
mobile
and
phones.
This
You
is
may be
I
correct
would
about
like to
youth, but
still
not
request
about children.
everyone that please speak one by one because we are not able to hear each other's point and nor are we, I think,
yes.
listening to each
Please,
other's
please
point.
you
So
carry.
please,
Please carry
I
you.
think everybody should be given the equal opportunity to speak. I think so. Abhinav, you are saying right. There are actually challenges and opportunities with every topic. Since these are the unprecedented times, no one has imagined that situation would become this much worse. You know, so
Yes,
Exactly,
that's
talking
exactly.
why
about the
And
online
we have to
semester,
come
and
up
we
with
don't
such
have that
education
much
that we
yeah,
time.
can
yeah.
so that we
So
can make
teachers
a
are also
process
adjusting
faster
and
because we
students
have
also
already
need to
delayed in
adjust
the schedule
because
examination
And
and
this
schedule
is
semester.
this is
What
just the
are the
need of
semester and
hour and we
friend
are not
Praveen,
at that level at
ask
which
you
other
one
countries
question.
are there.
Praveen, I ask you one question. When we
Yeah,
are in
please.
semester, there will be
Yes,
as
please.
I know, as we know that semester are 6 months long. As due to this disease, we have so much time lost. So we have to shift our education system toward a short span. So we have to frame our questions like objective wise, as well as the IITs has proposed also
But
that we why not we can
Abhinav,
Abhinav, don't you think that
don't
only
you think
objective time
every
questions
question
are not enough?
Current,
cannot be
I
created like
don't
Because
think
because
MCQs?
we
learning
could
something you
frame
need
all
to
the
go
I
for
questions
want
in
to say
long
objective
that
type
mode.
We
answers
can't.
also.
All the questions can be framed in objective mode, my friend.
Yes, Siddharth is completely correct.
Exactly.
yeah. Yes,
Yeah,
Siddharth, I want to say that as three-tier examination.
What
IITs
I
has
would like to say
prepared
is
three
that
tier of examination.
what I would like to say
IITs
is
has
that
prepared three tier of examination. First
there are
tier is
many
that one
other
we have to
opportunities
take the
available.
objective questions. Second, we have to prepare our student for
Abhinav,
giving them
but we don't
shorter.
create that much.
You were
No,
talking about
that
But we
IIT.
does
don't
not
create
need
If
it.
that much
they
paper.
have the
Like
infrastructure to create
every
such kind
time
of
we
exams.
create the
But
quiz
think
for
about government
students.
schools. Those who are not
Because
properly funded. How exactly are
this
they
would
going
be
to create the
necessary.
online
Government
examination
schools
platform?
Yes. government
do you
school
think the
would become
students
forward.
Even the schools which
Government
don't
school
have
would become
that
forward.
much government schools, and also about
not
the
actually everyone has
tier
the
2 and tier
infrastructure to go
3
for it.
cities
You are talking
schools.
about
What about
IITs, so
them?
they are able to make they are
Exactly.
able to conduct such kind of examination. But what about normal schools and what about government schools, those who don't have the
I want to
infrastructure
say
to do so?
that how
And even
economical
also,
this thing is. Just
But I
think
would like
about
to highlight one point
what
This thing
here
would
economical we are
that
studying.
we are
no,
There
this thing
will
only
is
be
not actually
talking
economical,
about the
because in
challenges
order to
here. I
do
think
so,
we
you
this
have
also
to
is
buy
need to think
laptops
because
about the
there is
and computer
opportunities
stationary
for
here
cost
everyone.
also.
Every
and
Okay,
all
now
student.
I
other
want,
costs
okay,
like fumes and all others are
right,
cut
because
down. Na?
okay,
Due to
Abhinav,
one teacher can
okay, now I want each one of you to conclude in 30 seconds, right? So I start from Praveen. Praveen, please conclude the discussion now in 30 seconds.
Yeah, actually, as we all friends have talked, all have put their own relevant points and their own pros and cons of this online semester challenges and opportunities. Though we are not having that good infrastructure, so that in 3 or 6 months we can shift from offline education to online education. But still, what I believe is that colleges, universities, teachers, and students are giving their best to deal with this crisis, and I think they are doing well. The online examinations are also doing good. Only problems which we are facing is of internet connectivity in socially or economically backward areas of different states, and the mental health issues which I think no one has pointed out, which the students are facing, and parents are also addressed these issues to the government also. So that's all from my side.
Okay, Abhinav.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. And as we have a very good discussion on this topic, some of friends are also mentioned about what are the disadvantage, and some of the friends also agreed about the advantage. But I want to say that as we have entered into the new era, and so we have to take this is as a opportunity to develop ourselves and our school to be a digitally modified, so that we have reduced the chances of accident, and we have to reduce there is a huge expenses on the parents which are occurring due to education. And also we have to develop some apps so that we can interact with teachers and student in a very real manner. And we have to provide some as the government has also participated about the optical fiber networks, so we have to just coordinate the government on this optical fiber, so that we have good internet connectivity. And I uh, say that in future there will be a huge scope of online semester examination.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Siddharth.
So we had a moreover we had a unanimous discussion on the topic given to us, that is online semester. Is it a challenge or an opportunity for all of us? We tried to reach each and every areas of the given topic. We touched the points like the connectivity issues, and we also talked about the student-friendly atmosphere, the pressure that is on the student, and mostly the subjective type pattern or the objective type pattern that could be taken into account, such that the student will be facilitated, and moreover the availability of the gadgets such that, and the internet connection is also an important thing. So thank you.
Okay, now Vikas.
So we had a great discussion. So I would like to point out that we discussed about both the challenges and opportunities, and in the challenges we got to know about the problems such as the lack of internet connectivity to everyone, lack of infrastructure. There is no proper guidance for the both the students and teachers how to conduct this kind of examination. And we also came to know about the mental stress, as my friend Praveen pointed out. And if you look into the opportunities in that my friend Abhinav has said, that in this new era we should go for digital India. So by conducting the examination online, we would provide scope for many students who are not previously able to give the exams properly, and the examination can also become much more frequent. So with this, I would like to complete my, I would like to end this discussion. Thank you.
Praveen? Praveen?
Yeah, sir, actually I have concluded. So
Okay, sorry, Shubhi? Shubhi?
Hello. We have a great discussion on this topic. Online semesters, challenges and opportunities, and we discussed. We had the major issue of the infrastructure that is not being provided to the schools and colleges. Even only IITs are able to give the infrastructure for the online semesters. And also there's a major problem of the examination conduction. Since we can conduct only the quiz related like MCQ type questions, we cannot have long essay type questions. So this is the major issue. And also gadgets and internet connectivity issues are also being risen, and students might have also know students might not also have the sorry sir.
Okay, done?
That's it.
Okay,
Yes.
good. So, see, now let me tell you, like, you people need to understand this topic well, right? You need to first put your mind and understand the topic. Marks are not only given of speaking and lot of speaking. It is not like that. You need to understand the topic and contribute properly. Like, topic was online challenge and opportunity, you know. So online education, mein, what are the challenges? Challenges are obviously this is a new thing. Nobody predicted it. It came suddenly, and it did not evolve gradually. So, like in developed countries, it evolved gradually, and people were ready for that. India, mein, we were not ready for that. Internet connectivity is a challenge, as majority of you said, and obviously, exposing yourself to long hours of learning on computer can be another challenge for your eyesights and all. Those issues can be there. And socialization is poor. Interaction, teacher student interaction is also poor. These are the challenges. Opportunities are also there. Opportunities, like somebody also said, assessment, how to do assessment, that is also challenge. Proper assessment could be done or not, like you
The
know.
topic was about examination.
No, online
Online
semester.
semester. Yes, sir.
Semester does not mean examination. Semester means 6 months of college. That is called a semester.
Please repeat the topic.
Online semester challenge and opportunity. That is a topic.
Most of us thought that it was only about examination.
Why you thought that? It is online semester.
Yes, sir.
सर वही तो हम बोल रहे थे, ये लोग बीच में बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं नहीं आप रॉन्ग बोल रहे हैं, तो हमने कहा यार कहाँ से ये सेमेस्टर की बात हो रही है.
I tell you one thing, like whenever a topic is given to you, just write it. And second is keep seeing it throughout your discussion, because what happens is majority people will deviate from the topic, because when somebody is speaking something, they tend to think in different direction. It was online semester, that means 6 months education. It was talking largely in context of your IIT system. You know, you all are technocrats, so you will be talking about engineering. Semester is in engineering. It may not be yearly system I'm talking about. Semester means 6 months. Next 6 months, everybody is thinking that COVID will be there, so let's have for next 6 months we plan that it is online education only. So challenges are there. Challenges are, as I told you, like we were not ready for that. Internet connectivity is a problem at majority of the people place. And then the teacher student interaction, teachers are not ready with their online learning modules. They are still to make it. Assessment is a problem. And then what are the opportunities? Opportunities is that, you know, we have learned online education now. Earlier, you know, had there not been this trouble, I would not have conducted the GDs like this, online interviews like this. This time online, everywhere interviews are online, whether public sector or your IITs admissions, is online interview. Nobody thought earlier that online interviews can be there. I give you example. Earlier, a student used to get a call letter from 10 IITs, and out of 10, 5 only he was in position to attend. 5 there used to be clash. No, there is no clash. I am facing the interview of IIT Guwahati now, and after 1 hour I am facing the interview of IIT Madras. So that opportunity is there. I mean, we have learned, blessing in disguise, we have learned something about now online. So the teachers who never tried their hand on online video recording or something, they are doing a lot of video recordings. Students now know how the alternate way of learning. I understand this did not come gradually. This did not come gradually. But whatever has come, there's a blessing in disguise as far as the learning is concerned. So we understand that future will be combination of these two, offline and online, combination of these two. Like you want to prepare, you want to interact with the mentor. Like I'm interacting with all of you. You are sitting different parts of India, but we are interacting right now. This is the opportunity. I mean, alternate way of learning has come out. It cannot replace the offline. It cannot. But yes, it can supplement it. Had this issue not come, COVID not come, believe me, we would have delayed online learning platform by couple of years. So this has come as opportunity also to Indians. Now we are finding the means, we are finding the ways. There will be so many entrepreneurial domains which will open up, so many new things which will open up, new opportunities, like people are coming out with their own web applications now. So these are the opportunities. So learning has enhanced. Only trouble we are facing is it is not offline versus online. It is offline plus online. But as of now, we are handicapped. We cannot go for offline. So there is a limitation. But think of after 6 months, COVID is not there. What COVID has left you with? COVID has left you with the permanent online learning knowledge, and you will use it. So if I ask you after this everything is over, whatever you have online experiment you have done, will that remain with you? Answer is yes, that is going to remain with us. We are going to have this kind of GD session always, because you cannot have GD session offline. Maybe the best teachers in India, suppose you get the best teacher in India sitting at some place, he can train you well. You need not to be in physical in contact with him. You can interact with the people all over the India. Students can communicate with them. So this has given lot of kick to your online learning domains. These are opportunities. Now, as I told you, whenever a topic is given to you, you need to initiate. You need to give perspective to that. So Vikas Acharya, challenges and opportunities, but Vikas, you could not make a very good starting. You were fumbling, again you were fumbling. Again, there is a hesitation, you are stopping in between. In my opinion, because when you are not very confident about what you are saying, you start fumbling.
Yes, sir.
When the thing is very clear, you speak very fluently. But when the thing is not clear, I can make it up that this fellow does not know what to speak. That is the reason he is speaking this way. So in the beginning, I think the topic you were in the starting you were not very confident. But in between, in the middle of the discussion, you could give good points. You could enter also, you could talk sense also in between, but not in the beginning. Siddharth, again, Siddharth, I was expecting good starting from your side, but that perspective was not given by you. The two perspectives, this way, that way, it was not given by you. In between, you kept on coming, Siddharth, and you know, when parallel discussion starts between you and Abhinav, parallel discussion was going on, you could have stopped there. You could have stopped there, let him speak, and then again entered. It will go to the negative of Abhinav, not you. You could have stopped. Abhinav, you said it is interesting topic. You said it is a thought-provoking topic. You know, you have to think over it. It's a thinking-oriented topic. Yes, we need to think. It is quite new. It's a quite thought-provoking topic. And fast, you started talking about the assessment in the beginning itself. You don't have to talk about the assessment. You have to talk about the perspective. Challenges, opportunities, what are the challenges, what are the opportunities, something
सर वो
like that.
challenges में ही मतलब कि opportunity में ही मैंने assessment का लिया कि very quick assessment कर सकते हैं एक ही बार पे जो OMR शीट होती है सर एक ही बार में तो स्कैन करके निकालते हैं सारा
लेकिन
result।
वो उतना
हाँ सर वो बीच में बोलना चाहिए था मुझे बाद में लगा सर।
और तुम्हारा ये सिस्टम तब से ठीक ही नहीं हो रहा है, बहुत दिन हो गए तुम बोल रहे हो, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है। तुम्हारा जो बोलने वाला तरीका है ना वो सही नहीं है, बहुत डिस्टरबेंस आ रहा है और तुम इसको इम्प्रूव करो।
लेंगे नया वो
ब्लूटूथ वाला लेना, कुछ उसका करो सो दैट जब एक्चुअल तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू जीडी हो तो तुम्हें ट्रबल ना आए उसमें, राइट? इट शुड बी गुड। एंड देन सिद्धार्थ, इंडिया में तुमने इंटरनेट वाला पॉइंट अच्छा दिया कि इंडिया इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी की प्रॉब्लम है, अभी भी बहुत सी जगह पे इंडिया में इंटरनेट नहीं है। एंड इंटरेक्शन विद इन स्टूडेंट एंड टीचर का भी अच्छा पॉइंट दिया था, इंटरेक्शन अच्छा नहीं है। इजियर आपने ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम के बारे में आई थिंक यू सेड अ लॉट, ट्रेनिंग अच्छी तरह से नहीं है टीचर्स को, दे आर नॉट ट्रेन्ड। तो अभी हमें अचानक ये चीज हुआ है, सो दे आर नॉट ट्रेन्ड. दैट वाज अ गुड पॉइंट यू सेड. लेकिन यू नो you become aggressive while discussing. Don't be aggressive while discussing. You need to discuss, you need to speak cool calm, वैसा रहना है, aggression नहीं शो करना है. और आप बोलते बोलते रुकते नहीं हो, आपको रुकना सीखना पड़ेगा. You need to stop yourself. अदरवाइज ऐसा लगेगा कि आप पूरे डिस्कशन को सैबोटेज कर रहे हो, पूरे डिस्कशन को आप खराब कर रहे हो, ऐसा लगेगा, क्योंकि आप बहुत अग्रेशन में आ रहे हो. कोई बोल रहा है तो आप अपना वॉइस लेवल इंक्रीज करके डिस्कशन करने की ट्राई कर रहे हो, विच मे गो अगेंस्ट यू. तो आपका अगर ऑब्जर्वर को आपका ठीक नहीं लगा तो वो उसके अगेंस्ट भी जा सकता है आपके. तो उसको ऐसा फील आ सकता है कि आप सैबोटेज कर रहे हो. प्रवीण, आपने अच्छा स्टार्ट किया, टू साइड्स ऑफ द कॉइन से आपने स्टार्ट किया. लेकिन आत्मनिर्भर भारत आपने उसमें डाल दिया टॉपिक. मेरे को लगता है तुम्हें आत्मनिर्भर भारत का नॉलेज था और तुम चाहते थे कि मैं कोई नई चीज डाल दूं इसके अंदर, तुमने वो वर्ड डाल दिया, बट उसका कोई मीनिंग वहां पे मेरे को नजर नहीं आया इंट्रोडक्शन के अंदर एटलीस्ट, कि आत्मनिर्भर भारत से तुम क्या बोलने की ट्राई कर रहे हो. टू साइड्स ऑफ द कॉइन है, इसकी पॉजिटिव भी होगा, इसका नेगेटिव भी होगा, वो बात समझ आती है.
Actually, sir, I was trying to connect it to digital India, like that entrepreneur point you put up. So I did not elaborate since it was a discussion. That's why I did.
हाँ, लेकिन it was not even clear also there.
Yeah.
It was not even clear कि there are two sides of the coin. There are advantages, there are disadvantages. Advantages, that means new things will come up, and as we have seen in Atmanirbhar self-reliant, it is rightly placed. Atmanirbhar में there will be people who will coin new things, and new things will come up, and that will also help. तो तुम्हें वो बोलना नहीं आया, तुमने नाम यूज किया लेकिन तुम डिटेल में नहीं बता पाए कि बोलना क्या चाह रहे हो, और फिर वो पता नहीं चलेगा किसी को. ओके, सो आपने हार्म की बात की, आपने मेंटल हेल्थ के ऊपर आपने काफी डिस्कशन करना स्टार्ट किया. मेंटल हेल्थ यार बहुत ज्यादा रिलेटेड इससे नहीं है, इन द ऑनलाइन सेमेस्टर के साथ रिलेटेड नहीं है मेंटल हेल्थ. आप मेंटल हेल्थ का प्रॉब्लम किस वजह से बोल रहे थे? स्क्रीन को देखने से? फिजिकल हेल्थ की प्रॉब्लम है वो? व्हाई यू सेड?
Actually, sir, जब जैसे like classes are generally of 8 to 9 hours in college also. So whenever
Actually it is not. वो 8 to 9 hours तब होता है जिसमें कैंटीन में तुम खाना भी खाते हो, गप्पे भी मारते हो.
Yeah, sir, if we consider 4 hours also, then also screen times is very much more. Even parents are also complaining that our students.
No, you think of you are a software engineer, you are working in a company. Tell me how many hours you work.
Yeah, generally 8 to 9 hours.
So everybody will become mad, you know. All these guys who are working on software industries, they'll go mad in a month or so. Actually
that is a regular thing from them.
हाँ, तो मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, अभी it will become regular. तो अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं, कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है. My students are saying they are enjoying. There is no stress actually. Students are also enjoying.
छुट्टी मिल रही है सर, वो इसलिए.
हाँ?
वो छुट्टी मिल रही है सर इसलिए.
हाँ, तो मजा कर रहे हैं ना. हाँ, तो वो है नहीं. मेंटल हेल्थ का कोई इशू नहीं है. हाँ, स्क्रीन देखते रहना वो स्ट्रेस पड़ सकता है, लेकिन दैट इज नॉट अ इशू. एक्चुअली इट वाज नॉट आस्किंग दैट, इट इज अ न्यू थिंग एक्चुअली. तो वो उससे बहुत ज्यादा लिंक नहीं बैठा, रियलिस्टिक नहीं बैठा बहुत ज्यादा. और आपने ना बीच बीच में इसको अभिनव को भी डिसिप्लिन करने की ट्राई कर रहे थे कि डोंट स्पीक वन बाय वन करके बात करो सब कुछ. ये चीज बहुत ज्यादा एक्सेप्ट नहीं होती जीडी में. मतलब आप बहुत बार नहीं बोल सकते हो, कभी रेयरली हो तो तुम कोऑर्डिनेटर का रोल ले लो. अदरवाइज तुम बहुत बार नहीं बोल सकते हो कि आप कोऑर्डिनेटर का रोल लेके कि नहीं एक एक करके बोलो, तुम बोलो, अब तुम बोलो भाई, अब तुम बोलो. यू कैन डू दैट, दैट इज नॉट अ लीडरशिप रोल. तुम्हें किसी को ना तो चुप करवाना है, ना तुम्हें किसी को बुलवाना है, तुम्हें अपना काम करना है. तुम उसको डिस्कशन में बोल नहीं सकते ये चीज. ये बोलने का थोड़ा नेगेटिव हो जाता है. जैसे अभिनव भी बोल रहे थे कि अभिनव ने आई थिंक बात कर रहे थे कि लेट मी स्पीक और लेट मी कंक्लूड, और किसी दूसरे को बोल रहे थे कि ओके सिद्धार्थ लेट मी स्पीक, सिद्धार्थ लेट मी स्पीक. ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते तुम किसी को. वहां पे जीडी में ये चीज नहीं होता. अदरवाइज तो तुम वो बोलना स्टार्ट कर दोगे, सी व्हाट इज दिस नॉनसेंस यू पीपल आर डूइंग, यू आर नॉट लेटिंग मी स्पीक यार, व्हाट इज द, यू आर नॉट सिविलाइज्ड पीपल, लेट मी स्पीक फर्स्ट. यू कैन नॉट से दैट एक्चुअली. तो जीडी में तो क्या है, वो कोऑर्डिनेटर का काम है. तो प्रवीण अगर को बोल नहीं रहा था तो मैं बीच में एंटर करना है. आपको पूछ, वो बोलना नहीं है कि तुम रुको एंड आई वांट टू, वो नहीं, तुम्हें एंटर करना है बीच में, राइट? दैट इज हाउ.
सर मैंने सिद्धार्थ से ये पॉइंट लेना चाहा, लेट मी स्पीक, तो ये क्या गलत हो गया सर क्या?
हाँ, लेट मी स्पीक नहीं बोलना, पॉइंट ले लो ना. लेट मी स्पीक मींस कि तुम उसको बोल रहे हो कि मेरे को अलाउ करना बोलना. वो क्यों करेगा? तो वो नहीं करेगा ना तुम्हें, वो तो अपना बोलेगा यार. तो दैट इज रॉन्ग ऑन योर पार्ट. लेट मी स्पीक नहीं बोलते. आप तो वैसे भी आप स्पीक करते रह रहे थे, आपको लेट मी स्पीक की क्या जरूरत थी? यू नॉट लेटिंग एनीबॉडी स्पीक।
सर वो कट करने के लिए मैं सोचा कि ऐसे थोड़ा सा
नहीं
इनका
नहीं,
वॉइस
अभी ना
कम होगा।
तुम्हारा बहुत ज्यादा अग्रेशन आ रहा है, अग्रेशन आ रहा है। वो जब सिद्धार्थ बोलता है तो वो हंस भी लेता है थोड़ा सा, तो अग्रेशन दिखता नहीं है। वो सिद्धार्थ भी इक्वली बोलता रहता है, लेकिन वो हंसता रहता है बीच में, उससे अग्रेशन नजर नहीं आता है। और वो पेस भी अपना मेंटेन करके रखता है, सिद्धार्थ पेस मेंटेन करके रखता है। तुम पेस बढ़ा देते हो, तुम आवाज साउंड भी बढ़ा देते हो, डेसिमल बढ़ा देते हो, चेहरे पे एंगर भी आ जाता है, और तुम फास्ट हो जाते हो। These all are the signs of aggression actually. वो एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है इसमें। अपन आराम से बोलते रहो, और जब पैरेलल दो सेंटेंस बोलना स्टार्ट कर दें तो एक रुक जाओ, चुप हो जाओ, दोबारा वर्ड्स के साथ एंटर करो। अब इसमें शुभी ने स्टार्टिंग अच्छा किया। अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड चैलेंजेस का जो स्टार्टिंग है वो शुभी का अच्छा था। टीचर्स प्रोवाइड रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर, शी सेड इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी इज अ चैलेंज। तो उसने एक डायरेक्शन सी दी कि फ्रेंड्स द टॉपिक इज चैलेंजेस एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज। सो as far as the challenges are concerned, yes, internet connectivity is a challenge. If you can think of some more, and like internet connection is a challenge, and there are so many other challenges. There are opportunities, friends, like teachers have started making the recorded videos. That's opportunity, and there are so many other opportunities. So let's friend open the house for the discussion. इसको starting अच्छा करना है, ऐसे आप starting कर सकते थे। एंड बीच में शुभी जो बोल रही थी उसका मीनिंग था, वो उसका एंटर करने का भी तरीका सही था। वो पैरेलल नहीं एंटर कर रही थी, वो एक एक वर्ड के साथ एंटर करने की ट्राई कर रही थी। तो शी वाज स्पीकिंग गुड। एंड वो ट्रेनिंग की बात अभिनव जब कर रहा था तो शी वाज सेइंग कि ट्रेनिंग कैन नॉट बी प्रोवाइडेड राइट नाउ। मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगा कि वो सही पॉइंट है गलत पॉइंट है, लेकिन द वे शी वाज एंटरिंग वाज गुड। और एंड में कंक्लूड नहीं कर पाए शुभी, यू कुड नॉट कंक्लूड। कंक्लूजन में याद रखना कि
Yes, sir. Actually,
यस
I just missed the words at the end.
कोई बात नहीं,
I lost. I have lost.
एक्चुअली
I
क्या
just
है,
lost of.
लॉस द ट्रैक। कंक्लूजन में
I
कंक्लूजन
don't have that words.
नहीं, लेकिन सबसे मुश्किल पार्ट तो यू हैव
Hmm.
ट्रेवल्ड। इंट्रोडक्शन इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट, आई टेल यू। उसमें वर्ड्स नहीं मिलते।
Okay.
कंक्लूजन में तो तुम्हें वर्ड्स की रिक्वायरमेंट ही नहीं है। तुमने तो ये बोलना है कि अभिनव ने ये बोला, सिद्धार्थ ने ये बोला, विकास ने ये बोला, प्रवीण ने ये बोला, बात खत्म। एक दो का नाम लेना, अपना
Okay.
कर देना। एंड अभिनव तुम
Okay.
कंक्लूजन में नहीं, वो ऑप्टिकल फाइबर की बात तुमने कंक्लूजन में की।
नहीं सर, ये ऑप्टिकल फाइबर इन्होंने बात किया था ना बीच में किसी ने कि मतलब कि इंटरनेट इश्यूज के कारण, तो वही पॉइंट
लेकिन वो लग नहीं रहा था कंक्लूजन, वो लग रहा था नई चीज बात करना स्टार्ट कर दिया तुमने। कंक्लूजन
नहीं सर, बीच में किसी ने
Sir, I spoke in. Sir, I
ऑप्टिकल फाइबर के बारे में।
spoke in introduction.
ओके ओके, एंड देन इंट्रोडक्शन में तुमने बोला, फिर तुम पूरे बीच में डिस्कशन नहीं हुआ और कंक्लूजन में स्ट्रेट आया फिर। तो ऐसा कोई पॉइंट कंक्लूजन में लेके कंक्लूजन में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स ऐड करो, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट जिस पे डिस्कशन हुआ है पूरे ग्रुप में, कि यस वी आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग। जैसे आपका कुछ पॉइंट्स के ऊपर डिस्कशन हुआ है, ट्रेनिंग के ऊपर बात हुआ है, लोगों ने ट्रेनिंग के ऊपर आप तुम लोग बहुत डिस्कस करते रहे, और पॉइंट्स पे डिस्कस करते रहे। तो जो सबसे ज्यादा डिस्कशन हुआ है वो कंक्लूजन में आना चाहिए, नॉट कि आर्बिट्रेरली कोई भी पॉइंट हम कंक्लूजन में डाल दें। दैट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, दिस इज हाउ इट इज टू बी डन, राइट? So some most important points are to be included in the conclusion. Done? So ये था जो सारे का सारा था। मतलब स्टार्टिंग करो और प्रैक्टिस से ज्यादा वो चीज आएगा। Anything you want to ask before I go for next topic? Can we go for next topic now?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please write the next topic now. Reasons for India's poverty. Reasons for India's poverty. Reasons for India's poverty. So I give you some time to think, and then we can start it. Please mute yourself, all of you. Okay, so I think we start from Abhinav.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for such an opportunity. Good evening, friend. My name is Abhinav, and the event topic for us is a reason for India's poverty. And in my opinion, this topic is very quite relevant for us. And I think that India, after the independence, we have just increase our population day by day, so that there is not a unique or equal distribution of the resources between our societies. So there may be a reason for India's poverty, and due to India's when after development, there is some discrete area where we have not much of connectivity, or they are remote areas. So there may be always a challenge to how to improve the transportation to reach that area for coming that areas to in front line of the India's development, and not and any government, and any which government we are people elected, they are not showing the interest of human body, of society, for their that is their duty to remove the poverty. And also there is a very a lack point is that we have even not set a baseline through which we can say that which above to that is the rich people and below to that poor people. So there, although we have after independence so many years, so we cannot fix a baseline. So in my opinion, these are some points which due to which India is becoming not overcoming the poverty in the given time. And I request all of you to put some points on this topic so we can reach a fruitful discussion. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Shubhi.
Hello. Today's topic is reasons for India's poverty. So let's discuss upon this topic. Since poverty is a great bane for us, like there are many factors. There are many factors for the poverty. There's not a single reason which can be blamed for a poverty. Like we can say labor work, labors like maids, even washermen, like all these people pass their work generation to generation. They don't try to move their children into some other part, into some other profession, like education and all. And even people, they even don't send their children to the school, to government schools where they also get the midday meals, so that they could also get the fee for the work they will do. So that's why they don't send. And also we can say people don't pay the tax completely according to their salary, and also there are some agricultural issues also there, which can be blamed for the poverty, and also brain drain of most educated people, which are shifting to the foreign countries and leaving their country in poverty. That's it.
Okay,
Hope
Vikas.
we have a great discussion.
Hello everyone, my name is Vikas Acharya. So I'm glad that I am getting an opportunity to introduce today's topic, that is reason for India's poverty. So in my opinion, there are several factors that contribute to this reason. The first I would like to point out is about corruption. The second point I would like to focus is the lack of employment or the unemployment problem that is going on in our country. There is also a very large divide between the rich and the poor. So, and the rich are getting richer and richer, and the poor are getting poorer and poorer. Also, I would like to focus on the fact that that our economy is based on agriculture, and there is not proper research opportunities in agriculture field. We are doing research, but it is not up to that mark. And also the governmental policies are not the governmental policies that are present to remove the poverty are not actually long-term goals. They are short-term goals, because they are focusing more on their vote banks. They are not they are providing instant money to the poor, but that would not actually give them the proper resources to stand on their own feet. So I would like our discussion to move our discussion in these lines So I would like to open the floor for the discussion. Thank you.
Siddharth. Unmute yourself, Siddharth.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Good evening, friends. My name is Siddharth Shankarrath, and I take the opportunity to open the group discussion on the topic given to us, that the reasons for the India's poverty. This is a quite thought-provoking and a topic having a broad perspective. I would like to list out the factors and the perspective that is mainly that can be mainly blamed for the poverty in India. The first is government itself, and the second is the bureaucracy that is there in India, and the third is we are also the citizen of the people of this country. I feel that the government's schemes could have been better, and government could bring this to reduce the poverty that is there. That is a very big problem in India. And moreover, if you see the bureaucracy that is there, mostly the corruption is that occurs with the bureaucracy, and in the bureaucracy level, the resources are getting that they're not pushing it down to the root level, and moreover, they're not recreating the thing that the people could use and could get benefited, and the people could overcome out of the poverty. And moreover, the third factor is about the people of the country. Moreover, it's depend on an individual also. If we are given an opportunity, how much we could convert that into a good aspect. So with this, I like to welcome you all to participate in the group discussion.
Parveen, unmute yourself. Unmute.
Hello everyone. My name is Praveen, and today's topic for our discussion is reason for India's poverty. Though I would like to start with some statements of Honorable Nobel laureate Abhijit Banerjee. He has done extensive research on India's poverty, and he has also got Nobel Prize for the same. And what he has pointed out that the most important factor, though there are many factors, but most important factor behind India's poverty is the lack of education. There, many people are unaware of their basic rights. And the another factors which we can talk about is the lack of implementation of social welfare schemes, which are basically for the socially and economically backward people of the society. So there is also a reason of corruption, and that is linked to the lack of implementation of those schemes. So there is a red tapeism in bureaucracy that we need to remove. And even government has set up many committees to investigate the issue of poverty in India. So if I want to take a simple example, then we can take an example of allotment of houses which are meant for the poor people. So even there is a huge amount of corruption in that thing also. Those houses are allotted to either the rich people or the higher strata of the society. The needy does not get the opportunity to avail the houses. So the first point which I pointed out, the lack of education here, that factor comes also, that people are not actually aware about their rights which they have been provided in their constitution. Even the right to property has been a fundamental right in our constitution, though it has been removed now, but still it remains a right in our constitution, though not a fundamental right. So these are the basic points which I feel that are the major reasons for the poverty in India.
Okay. So now what I do, I open the house for the discussion and you maintain the decorum of the discussion. Please go forward for the discussion now.
Yeah.
Siddharth,
hello
as
everyone.
completely
you
agree with
mentioned
Subhi.
that
Basically,
as you mentioned
we
that
have
there is a lack of opportunities we having since after the independence we have great expenditure on the defense. Since after independence we have great fear to fight our neighbors. Our neighbors' relation are not good. So we have not put much expenditure, much budget percentage on the technological development of the agriculture. Since India is in
Abhinav, you
agricultural
can't say
state,
we
we
don't
have
have.
to.
Abhinav,
Abhinav, you
actually, I
Yes,
would
can't say
like
we
to
don't
point
have
a
much
point
budget.
here
We can
that
say that
we
people
have even
who are
we are having
that people who are
even only USA and China are having more
I want to
defense
say
budget
that
than ourselves.
that
We have
there is
spent
not
a
negative.
huge amount
I
of
want to
budget in
say that there
agriculture
is
also.
a less
If you know
percentage in
that
what
even the
percentage we
one
have
of the
needed.
5-year plans,
Yes, yes.
one of the most important 5-year plans after independence has been about agriculture. And if you know, before that 5-year plan, India was not that good in agriculture. Even we were importing the pulses. India being a major agricultural economy, we were importing the pulses, wheat, cotton,
Praveen, you are
rice. So
completely right, but I would also like to point
after
out
the
that the
5-year
farmers in
plan, even
Punjab and
Haryana
Haryana are
and
much more
Punjab and
richer
flourished
than the
have
farmers
very
in
well.
Odisha and Bihar.
exactly. I agree with
Yes,
Vikas.
And the reason for that
Right.
is that the green revolution that took place,
yes,
people
Vikas.
were
I
made
want to.
the people were made aware about that in Punjab and Haryana very well, whereas the same facilities were not provided to not provided to states like Bihar and Odisha.
Actually, I'd
Yes,
like
yes.
to
And
point
also,
out,
and
I'd like to
also
I want
point
to
farmers
that
say.
are not,
Bihar and Odisha were provided the opportunities, but
and also
as you
farmers are
know,
not
there are many other things, there are many other factors like floods. Since in Haryana and Punjab, there is a flood and there is a failure of any crops, or rarely there is a drought. So there are many other
I
factors
want
in
to
Bihar. Floods
sorry
occur
I
very
want to sorry
frequently,
to interrupt you. I want
and
to say that we have quite we have to move other directions because we have to find out the good result for the region. I want to say that although we have achieved the food security, but there is a quite distribution disturbance between the
But my
government and
friend,
the
the thing is
system.
not about
Government and
food
the system.
security; it's about the poverty. And
Abhinav,
moreover, we had a
there's a
crisis situation in the past, such that
yeah,
our government
actually,
could not
I
overcome
we
totally
had
about that,
agree
crisis
with that.
situation
and
only
for
because
that
farmers
only.
are not allowed to send their pulses and grains to another states. They are not allowed to do such. Only
Uh,
few days ago, agricultural
Subhi,
reforms
Yes.
has been done so that
yeah,
Exactly.
our
Subhi,
agricultural
Yes, yes.
I'd
grains
like
and
to
all
Yes,
these things will
Exactly.
exactly.
I would
improve.
also
Moreover,
like to
I
Only
add a
that is
point
the
regarding
point.
education. I think
Subhi,
we should
actually,
Exactly.
I'd
focus
like
on
to
Yes,
education
yes,
also,
yes.
correct
not
here.
only on
yes, that
agriculture.
Recently,
is the
But
government
I
has
about
want
the
to
passed
say
an
about the
that
approval.
bureaucracy level.
Recently,
That is
government
the
has
I
thing.
passed
want
That is
an
to
the
say
approval
that
bureaucracy
where
level, and
farmer can.
moreover, the bureaucrats are not pushing
Recently,
the
I
recently,
completely
government
agree
has
with
passed
the
an
Siddharth. If we
people
approval
look into
Siddharth,
the
whereby
fact
I
that
am
only
farmers can
agreed with you,
1.5
send their
crore
Siddharth.
people,
pulses to other
Siddharth,
states.
I am
at
agreed
the
with
root
you
level.
out
that
of
there is
130 crore,
lack
only
lack of
1.5 crore
interest
pay the
Could
taxes.
between the
recreate.
people
We could
we have
recreate the
elected
thing
and
such
the
that the
bureaucrats.
people get aware.
I
As my
think
friend
that
Praveen said,
yes,
as my
Siddharth, yes,
friend
Siddharth.
Praveen said, I want to
I
add
said
upon his
that
point
there is
that
lack of
yes,
interest
it's
between the
good
people
that
we
people
have
are not.
elected and the
It's
bureaucrats.
not good that
So
people are not
there is
aware,
a quite
and
rift
the
between
people
the
of India
society
must be
and
aware
the
about their
government.
fundamental rights. And the duty of our
Yes,
bureaucracy
yes.
is to make our people aware about their fundamental rights, such that they will be educated about
I agree with
and
that.
they
I
will
agree
know
with
what
that.
are
I
And
completely
also,
agree
and
with
also
you.
bureaucrats,
Between
what
the
do
society
bureaucrats
and
do is,
the government.
major contributor
what
to
do
eradicate the
bureaucrats do
poverty.
is,
Yes.
what do bureaucrats
Yes,
do
yes,
is,
yes.
farmers sell their farmers sell their grains to the bureaucrats at the lower price, and they just store in the storehouse, and that grain don't come to the market, so that farmers get the good prices, and that grain later
Yes,
on
exactly.
just discarded off to the
Shubhi, I'd
rivers
like to
and
point out
So Shubhi, you are talking
something
about the
here.
middle
Actually, there
marketing.
has
That is
been
the
update
presence of the
where
middle
government
traders
has
that
allowed the
causes
contract
poverty to
farming.
the
So what is there in
people
contract
who
farming
produces
that
them.
farmers can directly there has been update in the farming sector that farmers can now directly contact the private owners. They can sell their produce to the private people. Actually, contract farming has also been
Yes, friend,
allowed
I
in
am
India.
agreed with
guys,
you.
don't
Yes,
you
And
think we are
Borobudur,
there are
deviating
many
it's
from the
not
topic?
about the
From the
farmers.
topic.
That there is
no,
a
actually, I'm just
rift
Yes,
supporting
yes.
you on the
between
point of the
government
farmers.
and the
Actually,
society.
there
So
has been
we
many
have
changes.
to remove that rift. That rift which has developed because the government, the people which we have elected, they have
And
not
moreover, I
showing
want to
their
say that
interest.
it's not about only the farmers of India. We are having daily wage workers, laborers that are working in our country. We must
Exactly.
look about their situation also. We must uplift them also. So I
Yeah,
think government must think
Right.
about them to
yeah,
eradicate the poverty.
yeah. Actually, labor laws are also
And also
a
provide
point
extra
I think
which
incentives
government
so
should
that they
come up
could
with
send their children
should not come
to
up
the
with
related
short-term
to
schools.
goals
Yes,
rather
the
than long-term
clearment
goals.
of
The
I
the
agree.
policies.
labor. Actually, there are many labor laws which needs to be amended. So that may improve the condition of the labor, as you told that, and
Right.
government has taken recently
Yes,
many
yes.
steps to
I
amend
And
agree.
the
also
labor
it's
laws.
about the and also it's about the citizens of India.
Yeah,
We are earning, we are not paying the tax. Even the yesterday's report says that only 1.5 crore people pay the tax
True.
out of
Yes,
130 crore people.
exactly. I
So
agree.
this is not the
I
right
agree.
thing in a developing country. This should be improved. This needs to
Okay,
happen
now
improvement
I
on
ask.
the citizen individual basis.
Okay, now let me ask each of you to conclude. So I start from Siddharth.
Then nice discussion on the topic given to us about the factors for India's poverty. And we discussed about each and every domain of the topic that was being given to us. We discussed about the condition of farmers. We discussed about the role of bureaucracy, and we discussed about the schemes that government is trying to implement or trying to take out, such that that poverty could decline. And I think we had a very nice and smooth discussion.
Okay, Subhi.
We had a great discussion on the reasons for India's poverty. We discussed about the farmers' poverty and also how bureaucracy is being responsible for this poverty reason, and also how laborers and daily wage workers need to improve their mentality so that they can send their children to another profession. And that's all we discussed.
Praveen.
yeah. Hello everyone. I would like to conclude that we have talked about the different topics like the labor laws, the condition of the labor, and the condition of the economically and socially backward people of the society. So what is the way forward here is that we can amend our labor laws, and we can think more about the farmers' benefit, and we can also improve the role of the bureaucracy so that red tapeism in bureaucracy and corruption in bureaucracy can be removed. And someone also pointed out the independence after independence things that the Green Revolution has taken a major role in contributing to Haryana's and Punjab's development. So definitely government needs to think more about the Odisha, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh where floods are frequently coming. So yes, we had a very good discussion.
Okay, Vikas.
So we had a great discussion. We discussed about various reasons why India is still in poverty. So the major reasons we came up with are about corruption. The second is the lack of education and lack of awareness among the socially and economically backward classes to send their children to be properly educated and so, citizen. That is, we should also pay our taxes properly We also discussed about why we are facing problems in the agriculture sector, and also in the labor and the problems with the policies of government that needs to be modified so that we can uplift the socially and economically backward section. With this, I would like to conclude. Thank you.
Okay, now I think Praveen is to no Praveen has done. Shubham, this I think Abhinav is to conclude. Abhinav, you're there.
Sir, there is internet issue. My pack is over, sir.
Okay, so can you conclude?
Yes, sir. As our friends have, we have good discussion on this topic. So some of our friends are telling that although government has making a good policy about to removing their poverty, as some of friend also mentioned that the government has taken poverty as a short-term effect. But some of also friend also mentioned about the real role of the bureaucrats and role of the what would be government in the contributing to their role of the government. And I want to say that I want to conclude that there is you as we have making the plans, but our implementation is not at a root level. So we have to most focus on the root level, because our basic agricultural because India is an agricultural state, and we have to most focus on the agriculture, and so we have make our bureaucrat, and we have to show interest to remove the poverty from the root of the society. I think that is a good discussion. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so let me tell you now. This topic you could improve. Like I start from Abhinav. Abhinav, you said that the reason for this is not equal distribution of resource, area which are remote, poverty line. I don't know, Abhinav, why you mentioned about poverty line. What was the meaning of that?
सर जस्ट आई रिमेम्बर दैट कि अभी तक हमारे पास कोई ऐसा बेस लाइन नहीं है कि हम ये बता पाए कि व्हाट आर द
poverty line is there, Abhinav. Poverty line we know it is defined poverty line, लेकिन यहाँ पे उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं थी. यहाँ पे पॉवर्टी लाइन की बात नहीं हो रही, वो तो एक स्टैटिस्टिक्स है. लेकिन यहाँ पे वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि पॉवर्टी का कारण क्या है, मतलब इंडिया में रीजन क्या है पॉवर्टी के, रीजंस पूछे थे. तो इंट्रोडक्शन में तो you could have said कि there are so many reasons of poverty, and you know what is the most important reason is India still lives in villages. Gandhi ji said India lives in villages. India still lives in villages. Bharat versus India, India versus Bharat. India is a developed part, Bharat is a developing part, less developed part, which lives in villages. And if India lives in villages, then and majority of people in villages, they are dependent upon agriculture, and economy has different sectors: industry, service, then agriculture or primary sector. The primary sector is not growing much, agriculture is not growing much. So if the primary sector will not grow, and majority people are dependent upon private sector, how they will grow? So main reason of poverty is we need to develop the primary sector, agriculture sector. Agriculture sector cannot develop unless until you make the agriculture mechanized. Go to the farmers of developed countries like Australia, US, Europe. You'll find farmers are doing the agriculture in a mechanized way, which we are not doing. Now, why we are not doing? Because we do not have machines. Why do we do not have machines? Because we do not have industries. Now, why do we do not have industries? Bottlenecks, infrastructural problem. So India is to grow manufacturing sector. We make machines. Those machines go to villages. Farmers start doing with the machine. So per day, whatever output is coming, it will come more. And if output will come more, he will earn more. If he'll earn more, he'll grow rich. As simple as that. So it's a simple equation. Shubhi could make good starting. But Shubhi, your trouble is initial lines you did not say. Good evening, friends. My name is Shubhi, and I am initiating the discussion. The topic for the discussion given is poverty in India. Very thought-provoking and long-term discussion topic, debatable topic. Well, no, it's the 74th Independence Day. We recently celebrated 74th Independence Day. So it is almost 75 years of independence, and it's a too long a period to eliminate poverty from this country. Still, we are not in position. So who is to be held responsible? Almost everybody. Somebody said, like Siddharth said, government, bureaucracy, citizen. So everybody is to be blamed, or everybody is to take the responsibility of this, of poverty. The person who is poor, actually, he is the most responsible for being poor. He is also responsible.
Yes.
Government is also responsible. So infrastructure is also responsible. So responsibility is to be done. So Shubhi, you look like in hurry, fast. Number one, 3-4 lines you are not speaking. Those 3-4 lines will save you. And number two, you look like in hurry. In introduction also, in conclusion also, very fast. You need not to be that fast. Because
But
if
actually, my flow of speaking is fast.
you reduce it now. You reduce if you want to comfortably participate in discussion, little bit slow, so that you get more time, you know. If you get more time, then I think it will be better. So you said the reason is maid ka bacha bhi maid hi banta, wo maid mein banta hai, and everybody, generations after generations.
Right.
So that is not the reason, that is the effect. That is not the cause.
Sir,
That is the effect.
Okay.
Cause and effect.
Sir, this is the mentality of those people.
No. If you ask any maid what you want your kid to be, she'll say, I want.
They want, but they bring their children to people's home and
Why?
they're at their
Question is
places,
why?
working places,
Question is why?
because they need the payment.
Money.
So that,
They don't have it. So it is a poverty, no?
right,
You make the maid rich,
right.
she will send her kid to the workplace. That's what I'm saying. That is the effect, not a cause. So what you were saying, that maid is sending her kid also to the workplace. Why? Because she cannot send to the school. It is not a mentality. You actually may ask some.
She can send her to school. She is getting midday meal and getting other facilities also, like at government
That
schools.
the kid is
But
getting.
even then,
That kid is
right,
getting.
that kid is getting. But that is the responsibility of a parent, that he or she should send her child to the school.
That you only know responsibility should be, not them. They only know that they need to earn more to run the house. Midday meal and everything, it is for kid, not their parents. If you do that,
so what can we do, like what government else can do to change this?
government is to make the implementation of the policies very nicely. Somebody mentioned that you have policies, you have resource, implementation is not there. Corruption.
Right.
The person who is responsible to distribute the benefits, he is not distributing. Government is spending, crores of rupees, but it does not reach the right person. And who is responsible? Not these poor people, but the bureaucrats, politicians, people who are agent, in between agent. They corruption kills everything. You rightly said corruption.
Right.
So the person who is poor because of many factors, many reasons, that is also the reason. So you were saying about that. You were blaming the poor actually, and nobody is going to take that actually. So that he is poor because he does not want to get rich. So if one fine day he decides to become rich, he will not be poor. You cannot say this philosophically. That will be difficult.
Okay.
So yes.
Okay.
Responsibility in developing country like India to come out of the poverty, responsibility largely lies with those who have resource and who are given this responsibility to make change to the lives of the people. Who are they? Politicians, bureaucrats, public servants, rich people. Yes, if you are rich, you have resource, you can certainly help others. right? You can make them aware. So it is the responsibility of every member, including you. You can make somebody aware. Like if you're maid working at your home, you can make her aware that why don't you send your kid to the school. So maybe people don't do that. Maybe people are not even bothered about that.
Unawareness.
So do you know that? Please mute yourself. There's some disturbance coming. Please mute. Yeah. So till 14 years of age, there's a right to education. You cannot be employed till you are 14 years of age. So as you were saying, sir, maid is keeping her kid also worker. So who is recruiting them? The person is wrongly doing that. So if the kid is less than 14 years of age, when he should be in the school, and you are giving him employment, you are doing wrong. It should not be done. You should send that kid to the school. You have to convince the parents. Your responsibility, right? This is all is to done. Because you said unemployment, rich, poor divide, agrarian economy. So Vikas ka starting was the best. Vikas said, okay, there are many reasons. Unemployment, rich, poor divide,
Yes, sir.
agrarian economy, research in agriculture. Then he mentioned about green revolution also concept. So Vikas ka starting for this was really good. He could say the actual factors of poverty, unemployment, rich poor divide, because exploitation is there at some place. Some rich are getting ultra rich, they can manipulate the things, and poor is getting poorer. So divide is increasing. It should decrease. It is increasing with pass of time. Research in agriculture, yes, as I told you, agriculture is to grow. Research has to be there. Then you have research institutes also, agriculture universities, but that also people are not doing any research. That is also wasted. This is the wastage. Okay, then I think Siddharth, you mentioned about government bureaucracy and citizens, but you were negative about all of them. Government policies are not good. Bureaucrats are. So you do not directly start criticizing in the introduction itself. You can say there can be so many reasons of poverty. It may be some government policies, implementation by bureaucrats, citizens themselves, awareness, education system. We are not enhancing the awareness. So every person in the society is to be held responsible for these things. You can certainly say that. And Praveen, you talked about Abhijit Banerjee. Who is he? Unmute yourself.
Nobel Prize winner.
Okay. Are you Amartya Sen you are referring, or Abhijit Banerjee?
No, Abhijit Banerjee has recently won for his work in
Okay,
poverty.
so are you mentioning his work, or because poverty के ऊपर तो अमर्त्य सेन ने काफी काम किया है?
No, actually, sir, recently he and his wife Esther Duflo has got Nobel Prize in the work of poverty, and especially they have worked for poverty in India.
Okay. Lack of education, lack of implementation, welfare schemes, they are good. Why were you mentioning right to property?
Sir, that was a link to that example, that scam in the allotment of houses to the poor people. So
Right
there
to property is not to be mentioned.
Sir, because the people don't know that they have the right that property which is allotted to them, or the houses, they should be going to them only. So they are not aware.
Where it is going? Where
Those houses either go to the politician or the bureaucrats or the middleman. They are not going to the
because it is not allotted in their name. So that never became their property at the first place.
Okay.
प्रॉपर्टी बनेगी, फिर तुमसे कोई प्रॉपर्टी ले रहा है तो तुम्हारा वो लीगल राइट है, फंडामेंटल राइट तो है ही नहीं. उसको फंडामेंटल राइट तो मेंशन ही नहीं करना, वो तो बहुत पहले खत्म हो गया.
Yes sir, I mentioned that actually. ये खत्म हो
नहीं,
गया.
because you were having this, I tell you, because you were having the knowledge, so you started mentioning it. Labor laws की तुमने बहुत ज्यादा बात की. Labor laws are not related to poverty, I tell you honestly. Labor laws, फिर then you kept on talking about labor laws. How labor laws are related now?
Actually, one of the person talked about the condition of labor, so that's why I talked that the labor laws need to be amended to improve their condition.
क्या करेंगे उससे? ऐसा क्या लेबर लॉ बना दी जाए कि पुअर जो रिच हो जाए?
सर एक्चुअली देयर मिनिमम वेजेस शुड बी इंक्रीज। एक्चुअली अलग अलग स्टेट्स के अलग अलग लेबर लॉज वो अमेंड कर सकते हैं अपने अकॉर्डिंग।
नहीं, वो तो आप महात्मा गांधी नरेगा में मिनिमम वेज एक्ट है, उसके लिए मिनिमम वेज एक्ट है। मिनिमम वेज एक्ट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम लेबर लॉज, पहली बात तो ये। और लेबर लॉज का और आप राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी का रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं था यहाँ पे मेंशन करने का। तीसरा आपने फ्लड बताया, मध्य प्रदेश में फ्लड आता है, वो भी इंफॉर्मेशन मेरे को सही नहीं लगी।
बिहार में एक्चुअली
महाराष्ट्र, बिहार, मध्य प्रदेश,
इनमें से ड्रॉट आता है एक्चुअली।
हाँ।
ड्रॉट के लिए बोला था मैंने।
अब वो तो नेचुरल चीज है यार, उसका हम क्या करेंगे बताओ।
एक्चुअली किसी ने कहा था कि एग्रीकल्चर अच्छा नहीं हो रहा बिहार में, उड़ीसा में, महाराष्ट्र में, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई पॉइंट आउट देयर आर मेनी अदर रीजंस आल्सो फॉर दैट एग्रीकल्चर फेलियर देयर।
तो ड्रॉट, हमारा ह्यूज कंट्री है और हमारा जो मॉनसून कंट्री है, जो सारी रेन आती है वो 3 ही मंथ के अंदर आती है। मॉनसून इज द राइट वर्ड यू कुड हैव यूज्ड। मॉनसून से हैवी रेन आता है, वो 2-3 मंथ के अंदर ही आता है पूरे साल का। उससे अगर हम वाटर को प्रॉपरली हार्नेस नहीं करेंगे तो कहीं पे तो फ्लड आ जाएगा और कभी ड्रॉट आएगा। दैट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द रीजन। सो लिंक इट टू द मॉनसून, राइट? इनकम्प्लीट नहीं बोलना है। सो आई थिंक देन और कंक्लूजन तो हैज टू बी वेरी गुड यार। दूसरों को सुनो और बहुत अच्छा कंक्लूजन दे दिया, इट कैन बी लाइक दैट। दूसरों को बड़े ध्यान से सुनो और अच्छा कंक्लूजन दे दिया। देखो, इंट्रोडक्शन अच्छी नहीं अगर दे रहे हो तो वो नॉलेज का प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन कंक्लूजन अच्छी नहीं दे रहे हो तो इसका मतलब अटेंशन प्रॉब्लम है, तुमने सुना ही नहीं डिस्कशन क्या हुआ। अगर डिस्कशन सुन लो तो कंक्लूजन बहुत अच्छा करोगे। दिस इज व्हाट यू नीड टू लर्न, understand? Start listening to what others are saying and start making very good conclusion. At least if you end it up good, you will score good. And conclusion is all about what others are saying, listening to them and giving your points अच्छे तरीके से, बस that's it. Conclusion गलत नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि कुछ ने किसी ने तो अच्छी बात बोली होगी और लोग बोल तो रहे हैं इतनी अच्छी बात नहीं, उसको कंक्लूड कर दो, राइट प्रवीण? तो तुम्हारा प्रवीण डिस्कशन अच्छा है, तुम्हारा तरीका अच्छा है, लेकिन तुम कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन ऐसी डाल दे रहे हो जो चाहिए नहीं वहां पे, तो ऐसा लगेगा कि ये इसने इन्फॉर्मेशन डालने के लिए डाल दी। बाकी स्टार्टिंग का जो तरीका है उसको सीख लो, कंक्लूजन सुन के करने की ट्राई कर दो और बीच में एंट्री मार दो। शुभी, तुम्हारा तरीका सही है, स्टार्टिंग करने का, एंट्री मारने का तरीका शुभी सही है। जल्दी बोल रही हो और वो 2-4 लाइनें मिस कर रही है शुरू वाले, वो मत अवॉइड करो, उनको यूज करो। विकास, तुम्हारा तरीका सही है, तुम्हारा कंटेंट बहुत अच्छा होता है विकास, whatever you are saying it has a meaning. लेकिन स्पीकिंग में हड़बड़ाहट नहीं होनी चाहिए, प्रैक्टिस मोर, you do the more practice and that is how it will come. Others are not there, so I will not comment on that. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Done? Anything you want to ask now before we end it up? Fine? So keep practicing, keep revising. It will come only with practice, as you know. More and more we practice and it will slowly will come out. Fine?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thanks a lot and good night to all of you.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Okay.